Healthy Family Focus presents Emotions Factory.
Yippee! Sparkles in the air. Look! Healthy heroes everywhere. Bodies, hearts, and minds all cheer. At Healthy Family Focus, fun lives here.
Deep inside Milo the monkey's brain, a glowing emotions factory hums peacefully until the giant emotion meter erupts in flashing colors and steaming sparks.
What in the wiggly noodles was that?
The floor rattles, the lights flicker. A deep rumble echoes through the factory walls.
Oh no, is the factory falling apart?
Emotion pipes burst open overhead, blasting clouds of glowing feelings
Those are
everywhere.
unscheduled emotions! Everybody duck!
The siren screams as the emotion meter needle spins wildly.
Something big is happening in Milo's world.
Why is he shaking?
Is that a monster?
It's a fear alert! Something scared Milo fast!
Me too. We need to act before his fear takes over everything!
What? The engine's jammed with panic dust!
Look out!
Joy leaps through the sparks and slams the glowing reset pad. The team piles into the mood mobile and zooms toward the control room.
Don't touch anything yet! Uh-oh, this is gonna get bouncy!
That's a dangerous combo!
Grab it before it explodes!
The entire factory vibrates. The fear tube cracks open, firing jagged purple lightning.
If the fear tube shatters, Milo will panic!
Fear settles just enough for the crystal screen to glow again. Angry slams the fear dial, and a huge chunk breaks off.
We can balance this together.
I can't watch!
Milo pulls out the monster. It's just his stuffed dinosaur. The team moves fast. Calm eases the green lever.
We need
Angry
to calm
taps the
him
bravery
now!
button. Joy adds a warm sparkle of courage. Joy dives under the floating question marks. Angry headbutts the switch. Calm sends out a soothing green wave.
Guys?
On the screen, Milo hugs his dinosaur and takes a deep breath. Inside the factory, everything glows peacefully again.
We did it! Milo's feelings are balanced.
Because every emotion has a job, and we work best together.
And nobody got squashed today! Yay!
Sleeping peacefully in his moonlit room.
Now that Milo feels calm again, let's meet the amazing emotions who help him every day. This is joy. Yellow means happiness and excitement. When Milo smiles or laughs, that's me.
This is sadness. Sadness helps Milo slow down and ask for help when he needs it.
It's okay to feel sad sometimes.
This is angry. I help Milo know when something feels unfair or unsafe.
This is his calm.
I help Milo breathe slowly, relax, and think clearly. And this is fear. I help Milo react quickly when something feels scary.
All of these emotions live inside Milo's brain. The emotion factory helps feelings move and work together. The control center helps us think, plan, and make smart choices. The amygdala watches for danger. The emotion meter shows how big feelings are. When emotions work together, Milo feels safe, calm, and happy.
No emotion is bad!
They all have an important job.
Your emotions are helpers. Listening to them helps your brain grow strong and healthy.
Thank you for watching Healthy Family Focus, where we learn all about being healthy, healthy bodies, healthy minds, and healthy hearts.